I'm often asked, what is therapy, otherwise known as counseling or psychotherapy? And therapy is a process that many believe to be shrouded in mystery, but it doesn't have to be that way. Therapists are normal people who usually chose their profession because they truly care about other people. They're good listeners and they want to help. What does a therapist actually do and how can they help you? Therapists act as a neutral party who can listen and try to understand without any judgment. Therapists help you learn about yourself by pointing out patterns and giving honest feedback. Therapists teach specific techniques and strategies to deal with issues. Therapists can refer you also to additional resources in the community that might be helpful. And therapists provide a safe place to learn and practice new skills. Therapist is the process of meeting with an individual to resolve problematic behaviors, beliefs, feelings, relationship issues, and/or somatic responses or sensations in our bodies. Beginning therapy can be a huge step toward being the healthiest version of yourself and living the best life possible, no matter what the challenges are that you're facing. Through therapy, you can change self-destructive behaviors and habits, resolve painful feelings, improve your relationships, and so much more. Therapy can exist in a lot of different contexts. It can be individual therapy, which is the client meeting with the therapist for traditional talk therapy. Therapy can also exist in a group context, which is the client meeting in a group with a therapist leader sharing usually common issues. It can also exist in couples or family therapy, which is the client meeting as a couple and a family with the therapist in the room. And those therapists have specialized training to deal with couples and family work. What are some of the limitations of counseling or psychotherapy? Well, therapists should not be telling you what to do and how to run your life. Think of the proverb, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. Therapists are going to help to teach you how to solve your own problems rather than solving them for you. Another limitation is some mental health issues cannot be managed by psychotherapy alone, and there may be times when medication is recommended. Another possible limitation is that it requires you to do some work, and that it's not uncommon for the therapist to prescribe homework for you to do in between sessions. And completing that homework and practicing your skills is an integral part of the therapeutic process. Another possible limitation is that we cannot be your friend after we start the therapeutic relationship. Therapists generally truly like their clients and would love to hear more and more about them. But ethical rules prevent having relationships outside of the therapeutic relationship. And another limitation is therapists cannot read your mind. If you hide information or are dishonest, you're ultimately wasting your time and your money. We need full transparency.